Very good afternoon to all of you. Today I want to discuss about chapter 3rd that's name is Save Plants and Animals. In my previous video we have discussed some topics related to this chapter like as how plants and animals get their energy. Plants and animals depend on each other, balance in nature, how to protect plants. These topics we have discussed. Next topic I want to discuss this why forests are disappearing. My topic is why forests are disappearing. Students look some pictures also given here that's related to the why forests are disappearing. First one, do not cut trees. One person go to cut trees, protect plants and plants more trees. So students, they are being cut by man to get wood. Plants are being cut by man to get wood. Human population is increased every day. You know very well, our country is the second largest country in the world in the population after China. We need more houses. When increase the population, we need more houses. Forests are being cut to make houses. Forests are being cut to make houses and buildings. Forests are also being removed for making factories. We must stop cutting trees before it is too late. So students, here given some reason why forests are disappearing. Our population increase day by day, so that's reason we need more houses. That's reason forests are being cut to make houses. Factories are being cut to make houses and buildings. Forests are also being removed for making factories. We must stop cutting trees before it is too late. Students, look at these pictures. By using this, increase more and more trees. First picture has given do not cut trees. Second, protect plants. Third, plant more trees. After this students, my next topic is what should be done to protect forest. What should be done to protect forest? We can do many things, many ways. By many ways we can protect forest. Trees trees should not be cut without thinking. If we can do anything without thinking, that is not good for us. So trees should not be cut without thinking. Plants should be protected from disease. More trees should be planted when there is cutting of forest. Forest fires often breaks out due to carelessness. This should be prevented. More trees should be planted when there is cutting of forest. Forest fires often break out due to carelessness. This should be prevented. One Mahotsav week is celebrated in every year. Thousands of saplings are planted. These should be taken care of till they grow into lovely trees. Then they will take care of us. So student, given in this paragraph some information like as Van Mahotsav, it is generally we celebrated in the July month every year. Thousands of saplings are planted. These should be taken care of till they grow into lovely trees. Then they will take care of us. But if we do not take care of their that samplings grow into lovely trees, that's how it is possible. After this, student, my next topic is protection of domestic animals. Protection of domestic animals. Do you own a cat or a dog? Students, do you know? Do you own a cat or a dog? What do you do to keep it healthy? What do you do to keep it healthy? Give it food and water to survive. Brush it to keep clean. Maybe give it food and water also for survival. And where live cat and dog also we can arrange. Give it food and water to survive. Brush it to keep clean. Allow it to sleep in a protected clean place. This is very important. Allow it to sleep in a protected clean place. From time to time a doctor is called to have them checked. From time to time means within 1 week or 1 month a doctor is called to have them checked. Domestic animals are kept in a veterinary hospital for treatment. Domestic animals are kept in a veterinary hospitals for treatment. If you visit a stable or a dairy farm, you will find that the animals are given a clean place to live and fodder to eat. When you visit a stable or a dairy farm, you will find that place the animals are given a clean place to live and fodder to eat. Some people ill, ill treat animals and are unkind to them. How do you treat your pet animal? How do you treat your pet animal? After this, students, my next topic is protection of wild animals. Animals living in the forest are called wild animals. They are also useful to us in many ways. They help in balancing nature. We get many useful things from them. This is the map of India, and some information are also given which part of the India have different types of animals. These animals are disappearing due to thoughtless killing and cutting of forest. A lot of population increases, then a lot of forest cut by the animals for living, for factories, any another reason are also. That's reason animals are disappearing due to thoughtless killing and cutting of forest. Hunters kill elephant for ivory, deers and tigers for their skin. Poachers and hunters are punished for killing these endangered animals by the government. Poachers and hunters are punished for killing these endangered animals. Some protected animals of our country diagrams are given here. Cheetal, tiger, elephant, rhinoceros. Now the wild animals are protected in national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. Our government has laid some important rules to protect the wild animals. We should not break the rules laid down by these parks and sanctuaries. So, students, after this chapter has been completed and has been explained by my side. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me. Okay, students. Bye, students.